She looks so cute. Oh. Fits like a glove. What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. It's been a week since I posted. Y'all, PMS is hitting. She's bloated. She's been in, you know, a little bit of a mood. So yeah, that's why I didn't upload this week. But welcome back to my channel. My name is Tsquarrel. If you guys are new, please hit the subscribe button right down below. Follow, clicking the bell, just find the subscribe button so you're notified on every single video I upload, because frankly, why wouldn't you want to be? I'm your bestie, you're my bestie, and if we're not besties, we're gonna be besties. Lastly, give me a thumbs up and share this video because it truly helps me out a lot. Okay guys, so I got this package from Forever 21. And I got some goodies, and I'm like, you know what, why not do a try on haul for you guys? So I think Magic Links and Forever 21 for hooking your girl up with some nice pieces. So if you guys want to see some of my spring must-haves from Forever 21 for a curvy girl slash plus size woman, then you might want to stay tuned. Also, everything in this video either got in a size medium or a size large. Everything also is going to be linked down below. This is the first dress. It's just this yellow, cute little dainty sundress. It ties, it like loops in. It's like a wraparound dress. This is a really cute dress for the spring slash summertime. It's very light, very airy. I really love this dress. It's very flowy and it covers my bloat. As you guys can see, I'm super floated right now. So I tied it a different way this time, but this is the second dress. It's the same exact dress, just in black. And it's black, but it has like yellow flowers on it. It's really cute. Here's it from the side. Another cute wrap tie mini dress. Okay, so this is the second dress. I really like it. It's this like shirt dress and it has like this corset attached to it. Okay, so I feel like my only personal issue is the dress is a little bit too short. I'm 5'6", 5'7" on like a good day in my head, and this is just too short for me. I feel like any wrong move and the cheeks are going to be exposed. It's a cute dress. I really like the fit. Like I said, I would like it to be a little bit tighter, but I mean like it's not the end of the world. Like it fits good. Like I feel like it looks good on. It's just a little too short. Okay, so this is the next dress, following off with flowers. It's like mini dresses for the spring. I think this is really cute. Obviously I wouldn't wear this bra, but this is a really cute flowy, flowery dress or whatever. It has like the little ruffles and it has like this little ribbing right here that kind of like sucks you in a little bit. I think this is a really cute dress to throw on for like your early brunch. So here it is from the side. I love just how flowy it is. Like this is the next dress. It's just this brown ruche basic dress or whatever. I actually got this in a size medium. I love how it has the ruching like going down. It is a little bit sheer, like as you can see, you can kind of see my bra. But I definitely feel like for the price, the good part about this dress is you can take it from like super long to, of course, making it like that, where it's like asymmetrical like that, or you can pull it all the way up like that and make it more shorter. It's like a mini like club dress, like, you know, like she coming from brunch and they like, oh, it's time to go to the club, girl. Like, girl, stop your makeup, pull this dress up, she's ready. Alright, you guys, so this is the next dress. It's just this cute little basic simple dress. It kind of follows that brown dress a little bit that I just showed you guys, but instead of having the strings in the middle or like the ruching in the middle, it has it on the side. As you can see, the strings are right here, so you can make the dress longer if you want to, or you can also keep it like short how I have it. Alright, you guys, so this is the next dress, and this is just basically a simple bodycon dress. It has this little slit on the side. It's like, it's giving what it needs to give. I'm like literally looking at it, I'm like, oh my god, this is fire. Like it's really giving me shape, giving me body. It's basic, but again, it's something that you could just like put on, put some jewelry on, cute purse, and you were out the door. I got it in a size medium, and baby, fits like a glove. Fits like a glove. Like I love this little cute little basic dress. Here it is from the side. It doesn't smash my booty in any way. So this is the next shirt. It's just this little cute little crop top shirt. It's ruffled at the bottom, or has like this like ruching at the bottom, and it's like lace trimming right here. See, I wouldn't wear this shirt with this skirt, but this skirt is also from Forever 21. I love the skirt, love the color. It's just too big on the waist and it's killing the girl. It's be able to get on, but it's really cute. It's just the waist is super huge, but like I think this is a cute little piece. Okay, so this is the next items. It is the same exact top as that white one, just has like the white flowers on it. So this is this one. You guys know anytime I pick up jeans or anything, I like to try them on camera to show you guys the struggle. I want to see if like Forever 21 jeans can fit curvy women. Yeah, so let's see if I can fit them. So these are them. They're just these boyfriend jeans. So right off the back, I can tell the thigh is going to be a little bit too tight for me. So, so they do fit, but I will have to get them taken in. So I definitely feel like they look good on. But if they were regular jeans, I definitely think that I would have had to size like maybe 2-3 sizes up. They're actually super cozy. They fit really, really good. I love how it's not like flattening my butt out, like I still have a butt back there. They look good. I love the top and these jeans actually together. I would wear this together if the jeans were done. So yeah, I love these jeans. And again, I got these in a size 30 and they will be linked down below. So yeah, okay, so we are dialing it down. But these are the next two items that I got from Forever 21. It's these seamless biker shorts. They feel super, 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 super soft. They are just the slightest bit sheer, but I definitely do love these biker shorts. Here's the band up front. I also got this oversized top from them as well. It just has, I believe this is Marilyn Monroe, and it's just cute. I love it. I feel like this is a cute little outfit to throw on with some sandals. And when you take the shorts out of the package, they do look like they're going to be too short. This is how they look when they come out of the package, but literally as soon as you put them on, they literally stretch. So these are the same exact shorts that I have them right now, just in like a, this is like a mint green. So yeah, so I just got this cute like cropped jacket. You can use the strings right here to kind of like scrunch it and make it a little bit more tighter. I definitely wouldn't wear it with this outfit obviously, but I love the jacket itself. It's very flowy, very light, and then the sleeves are like scrunched a little bit. So I love this. I think this is really cute. I think it really goes with my skin tone, and it's a look. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys these cute little socks that I got from them as well. They just say "Be Happy" on them, and they're just so cute. I thought they were just really cute to pick up, so I got these. And then the last few accessories that I got a pair of hoops. These are some cute gold hoops. I also picked up 2 necklaces from them. I picked up this cute little, I'm sorry if I keep on saying cute little, but everything is cute and little. So gold chain, and it's just a cute small chain that just comes and like stops about like right there, but it just has a moon and a star on it, and I thought that was really cute too. And yeah, so that's basically all the stuff that I got from Forever 21. Again, thank you Forever 21 and Magic Links for hooking your girl up with these phenomenal pieces. All the links to all these items will be down below, so check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching this portion of the video. Let's get into the rest of it. You guys, so it is a later, well, it's not later on, it's like days and 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 days later, and I'm doing my hair. This is an old wig, so I'm trying to revamp it. Like I cut some of the lace off, and so now I'm trying to like tweeze it a little bit, because like this was more of like the far back side of my wig, so it's a little thick and my tweezers are being like janky as hell. Okay, so I just tweezed it as best as I could. It does look a little better. It's not as thick as it was. So I'm about to fix these little baby hairs and oh, look a mess. Let's start right there. Fix my hair. I have to do my makeup. It is almost 1 o'clock, so I'm doing good on time. And then I just have to edit. So girl, relax. So I'm gonna show you guys my hair when it's done. So you guys, this is the final result of my hair. I just did some little soft curls in it. I didn't really curl the whole thing, I just curled certain parts. So yeah, this is my hair though. I'm gonna do my makeup so I can take a picture. Oh, she looks so cute. So yeah. Alright y'all, so did my makeup, did my hair. Still not doing good on time. It's 3:30, but I'm supposed I took some pictures. Hopefully I get cute little picture real quick for Instagram, but I wanted to do just like cute little unboxing. I've never done an unboxing. What, Tiana? Yes, you have. Yo, these eyelashes are like driving me insane. This is why I don't come on camera with makeup on, because I hate wearing makeup. Like, I'm not even gonna flex with y'all. I don't like wearing makeup. Like, but I don't know if you follow me on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should follow me on Instagram, because I am so fun. Why wouldn't you want to follow me? Whatever. But I posted on Instagram that my friend had got me a purse. I don't think I showed it. So my friend got me this cute little like purse. I'm gonna tell you guys a story behind it. I did not like this purse at first. I did not like the style of this type of purse at first. When I first saw it online, I was like, this is ugly. Like, this is really ugly. And then Lady had one. And where were we going? I think we were going to Memphis. I don't know, but Lady had one, and I'm like, oh, it's actually cute. I saw it in person, and I'm like, oh, it's actually cute. It's like a dainty like one. So like, this is cute. So I showed my friend. I'm like, you think this is cute? My friend's like, yeah, it's weirdly cute. And then my friend got me this, and it came in the mail. So it came in the mail. It literally came in a freaking dust box. I'm gonna just show you the box that it came in. It just came in a simple package box like this, and then it literally didn't have anything in there other than the purse. So the purse is already out of the box or whatever, but it's just this little Jacquemus. I think that's how you say it. Is it Jacquemus or Jacquemus? I don't know. Whatever. But it's this cute little Jacquemus purse. So it just comes in this little tan duster bag. And then we opened up the duster bag. This was actually in the actual like shipping box. It just had like the receipt and everything. And then it had like these little like stickers that came with it. But yeah, that's what came in the shipping box. Yeah, so my friend got me this little purse. Thanks, friend. It's so freaking cute. So I'm gonna show you guys. So just take it out. And this is the purse. It is so freaking cute, you guys. Look at this. Can you, like, you can't tell me this little suede purse is not the cutest thing ever. Like, but it's so freaking cute. I love this so much. I love it so much. I can't wait to wear it. I'm gonna wear it. I'm actually going somewhere next week with a lady again, because who else do I travel with? Obviously only Lady. I have no love life, so I have no man, so I have to travel with Lady. It has like a little strap that like connects to the side or whatever. I'm gonna open it and show you guys, because I didn't even open the strap. I literally just put it in my closet. Oh, it just comes with this suede like strap. The bag is suede as well, but it comes with a matching strap, and then it just says Jacquemus. It just has a Jacquemus on the strap that attaches to the bag, and it's so cute. Now I think I actually want to go in there and get myself one. Like, I want to spend my own money or to get one. So yeah, so inside of the bag it just came with like this tissue paper, and then it has like this little card right here. I'm assuming, yeah, it just has this little card right there. So yeah, that's the bag. So I'm about to go and take some pictures. I don't know if I'm gonna take them outside. I was supposed to take them outside in the backyard, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that now. I have to see. Maybe this could be a picture. Yeah, so let me go and take a picture, and I'll be back later.